What's up, fam? Real Jamaican life here. A lot of people have been asking us to do some coconut drops. Real Jamaican coconut drops. Some gizzarda, grater cake and so forth. So today we are going to be doing some gizzarda. We are ready to do the gizzarda. We're going to show you. We are going to be doing some coconut drops. So follow me, show you the ingredients. So here we have a coconut, slice of coconut or cut up coconut. So we have a sugar, we have a salt,
and of
I don't know,
with
country
ginger.
girl is here with the ginger, and we have a grater. So this is some of our finished gizzardas. You will see me show you how to do the gizzarda in another video. And you don't know, we have everybody's favorite one and go. This is a one and go fire. Yes, with stove ready.
Yeah, country girl done grate her ginger now. Me get it off of the, you know, we normally knock it on the pot like this. Yeah, see there? Get it out of the grater. Get the ginger out of the grater.
So after you add your ginger, after you cut up your coconut, you wash it. Don't wash it before you cut it now. Cut it up, then you wash it.
Ginger, give me a little bit of trouble because it's kind of soft.
Alright, country girl, let me grate our ginger.
So finish.
Ready for show on this
fire,
on
show
the
the
fire.
people on the fire.
Put the fire, people. Real Jamaican fire blazing. Country girl ready? Which is right, which is right. So what you want to do? Yes, the next thing you want to know, you want to make sure that your fire is at a certain height. You want blazing fire, you want whole heap of fire when you do the coconut drops. But you don't want too much under it. Burn it up, but you want it if you know say your fire blaze, right? So right now, we're going to add the sugar. This is 3 pounds of sugar. Real Jamaican sugar.
There's a knife.
Just so see it there? This is what you're looking for when you're going to throw the sugar. You want to make sure there's a lot of steam coming out of the pot.
Yeah.
You smell the ginger in a
Yeah, you can see the ginger.
Sweet.
This look pretty, man.
So we're throwing sugar. We'll just country girl fire blaze, you know.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
If you put up a little more sticks and light, you know, it kind of go down. Because the breeze strong, so the breeze blow it.
So you throw in the sugar. Now we use the whole 3 pound knife. I use 2 pounds. Or 2.5. And then you stir.
Yeah. Mix it up, mix it up. Blend it up, blend it up.
Go on, me can't even,
You can't go too
hold
close.
the pot too properly.
You can't go too close. You're the spoon long. Bend down over that you feel like so your face a burn off.
Alright, so you stir the sugar. Make sure it completely mixed out. Which is right.
Me can't stop that body coconut. Them boy them pretty. Them just pretty so. Look on the ginger.
So we need to put some stick in this now.
The fire run well. Look at the run around this so. The fire pretty. Me nah lie to you, man. The prettiest fire me ever see. The color of the fire is amazing. Look there.
Throwing some coconut.
Yeah. Yeah, use up me gas. Yeah, no fuel.
Real Jamaican coconut drops. So we're ready. Can drop. This can take off and drop now. This can take off and drop, so whenever you see this something I drop off of the spoon, need a few more minutes, but whenever you see it stick up like this on the spoon, you can take it off. Country girl kind of busy right now, so I'm going to be taking it off. Breeze out here kind of busy, so you need clean plastic. You need a clean plastic. This is a clean plastic. We have to put something on it to hold it down because of the breeze. So we put, but you need a clean plastic. Some people use banana leaves. We just use the plastic, right, to keep it down. So I'm going to be taking it off the fire now. And then I'm going to be dropping some real Jamaican coconut drops. So you drop it. So this is beautiful. This is very lovely. So when you see this, it's sticking onto the spoon. Yeah, when you see it sticking onto the spoon, it's ready. You don't have to drop them so close. You can drop them apart.
Look for me fire slab, please. Look for me fire slab, please.
Country girl, I talk about a fire. Or one and go fire, you know? So you drop your coconuts. So I want to bless up everybody this evening. Thank you all for watching my video, for the likes, my other videos. Thank you all for the likes. Thank you for those who share my video. Thank you for my supporters. Thank you for the subscribe. Big up yourself. I want to send big up to Grace Walk. I want to send a shout out to General Faye.
Chosen Remnant.
Chosen Remnant. Real Jamaica, no. Blessed Life Journey. Want to send a big up to Blessed Life Journey, Miss Vi. Evangelist Thompson or Thomas, I don't remember if it's Thomas or Thompson. Want to send a big up also to all my subscribers. Just want to big you all up. All I know, appreciate you know, love and appreciate you know, for all you know, subscribe, all you know, comments, keep them coming. We are about to do a live very soon. We are going to do a live. So I'm dropping these coconut drops.
That's why them name coconut drops, cause you just drop them. Look at that beauty.
Yeah. So we have a few left back in the pot. We're going to just make these stay. Going to take out, see if I can hold one more on the plastic.
Yes, people. Somebody tell me who want to come put on something for my fire, cause we done and the fire still blaze. You want to come put on something for the fire? Tell me what you want to put on. Just let me know.